Welcome to this step-by-step guide to TSB Bank mortgage rates. Understanding mortgage rates is crucial when considering a home loan. TSB Bank offers a range of mortgage products with competitive rates. First, it is essential to determine the type of mortgage you need. TSB Bank provides fixed-rate and variable-rate mortgages, as well as tracker and offset mortgages. Fixed-rate mortgages offer a fixed interest rate for a set period, typically 2 to 5 years. Variable-rate mortgages have interest rates that can change over time. Tracker mortgages follow the base rate set by the Bank of England. And offset mortgages allow you to link your savings to your mortgage to reduce the amount of interest paid. Next, you need to check the current mortgage rates offered by TSB Bank. You can find this information on their official website or by visiting a local branch. TSB Bank's mortgage rates vary depending on the loan-to-value ratio, which is the percentage of the property's value that you borrow. Generally, the lower the loan-to-value ratio, the lower the interest rate. When comparing mortgage rates, consider the annual percentage rate, which includes the interest rate and other costs associated with the mortgage. You should also look at the overall cost of the mortgage, including arrangement fees and early repayment charges. To get a mortgage quote from TSB Bank, you will need to provide personal and financial information, including your income, credit history, and property details. You can apply online, over the phone, or in a branch. It is recommended that you seek advice from a mortgage advisor to ensure you get the best deal for your circumstances. Finally, it is crucial to review and understand the terms and conditions of your mortgage before signing the agreement. Make sure you are aware of any potential risks and consequences of changing interest rates. By following these steps and considering your options carefully, you can find a TSB Bank mortgage that meets your needs and budget.